I got a package from Gun Media. So basically the people that are making the Texas Chainsaw Massacre game, the other well-known game, Friday the 13th. So we're gonna see what's in the box. I have no idea. As I said, it's from Gun Media, as you can see it here. From Lexington, Kentucky. That's one game I am looking forward to. The Texas Chainsaw game that they're coming out with. So we're gonna do an unboxing here first. Because, you know, nothing says like Merry Christmas like chainsaws and hooking people, right? I actually got it on Friday. And I wanted to wait for today to do it with you guys. Oh, I got a lovely letter from Gun. Thank you, Gun. Oh my god. Look at the card. I'm like, I looked at it first like, oh wow, this is so nice. And when you examine it very closely, they're holding up, what is it? Like a dead possum or something. I don't think my mother will love this. Texas Chainsaw Massacre. Aww. Seasons bleeding. Aww. So nice. This is my first Christmas card, so I will put it up. Oh, I know what that's there. So there's my Christmas card. Seasons bleedings, everyone. Now what is in here? We got this stuff where we can move out of the way. Oh yeah! Oh, Harry and David's Moose Munch Premium Popcorn. Well, that's a bloody good time. Yummy! Yum, yum. Best popcorn on the planet. Well, I will be the judge of that. I mean, it does have caramel corn. That's like a freaking S tier right there. I don't need this. Ooh! Well, not that part, but I get a sticker. Oh, wait, not that part. Ugh. I get a sticker. Oh, I got a limited edition steelbook, a film by Toby. Steelbook, baby! Now to really get into the Christmas spirit. Oh, yeah. Oh, Seasons Bleedings for sure. I get a poster. Hello? Can you guys actually see my eyes? I doubt it, though. Ew. Yeah, post. Oh, I should frame this. You saw my peephole? Yeah! I want to frame this baby. A game based on true events. How sad, but how entertaining. Excellent, excellent. Oh yeah, I really feel the spirit of Christmas. And I get a shirt too. Wait, it has some like... This is really nice of them. Horror game by Gun. Wow, it does feel nice and cozy. Horror games! Yay. So we're getting a movie. Should this be my Christmas movie? I think so. That was really nice of them. I gotta write them a letter. This is awesome! I can't believe this was sitting in the box of my freaking living room since Friday. This would have been gone by then. Oh, it has 1 gram of protein. That's awesome. Wow! Wow! I gotta put my bed back. I love it. Thank you, Gun. Wow, the whole thing was 5 pounds. I think 4 pounds of it was from the moose much. Season's bleedings.